She found a crab.
A crab.
Mind it bite now. Boss lady with her crab friend. Beautiful turtle be a cove, you know.
Then me drive go the beach down a Mope in a Portland. I home me reach there.
Life is amazing.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm in Jamaica.
Where are you? Whoa. See that? Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, get a drive out. Roll out the Benz. Roll out the Benz. Woo. Yes. Oh, you're loving the vibes here at St. Cox Farm Estate.
So nice, can't wait to go more.
What?
Eat
Alright.
my food, have a good time.
Ocean Wheel, Portland, Jamaica.
Okay.
Yes, one of the nicest views.
Cameras capture the experience.
Monique.
Hi
Hey.
guys.
How is it? How is
It's
it?
amazing.
Alright.
I'm so excited to go to Turtle Cove.
Turtle Bay Cove.
Turtle Bay Cove.
Alright.
Excited.
Yeah, man. That is it.
If you're loving the video and you're loving the vibes, please remember to hit the like button and press subscribe. Yeah.
Alright, entering, you know. We got the boss fella, them man, and make sure so you're good, you know. Yeah, man. See, place here beautiful. Beautiful, you know. Don't like the environment.
Yeah, beautiful.
Alright. Yeah, man, I'm heading over there where you see the flags.
Okay.
Yeah. About 3 to 5 minutes walk, not much. Me get a lot of surprise when I go certain place to like me. I say, wow. This is amazing. I see a look a unique thing right here with the bottles and stuff. Yeah, man. As you can see, these are all coral rocks, you know. Yeah. This area was once underwater.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you have hurricane, sometimes the water spill over and come up all the way up here. Here. And place build back and look nice and fresh again, ready. So we get into the view here now. Alright, this is the view. Look at it.
Wow.
Beautiful Turtle Bay Cove, you know? Yeah, man.
Oh my God, this is so
One of the
nice,
best
though.
places.
I'm just in somewhere different. Huh? How do you get down?
Right here.
Oh, am I gonna slip?
No, man, you're cool, man. I make sure so you don't go down safely, man. You don't have to worry. So, this is it. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, you have a local beach all the way over that side too, you know? Yeah.
There's no one here. Yeah, come on, you've done your big one. Come on,
Eh?
you've outdone yourself.
Cha-cha.
Things are harder.
Yeah. Beautiful. Just watching the steps though, yeah? Yeah.
Come on, like, you have to go back. No problem before.
Cha-cha. Yeah, so if you notice, the rocks kind of break the heavy waves. Sometimes it's kind of calmer, but over here so it's normally like this.
Okay.
But
That little bit there is nice and calm.
yeah, that's like a small beach. I was telling
Yeah.
you about.
So we can walk through and go.
Can walk through and go around, yeah.
I'm a big deal.
Yeah.
I'm a friend of my
A
big
big
deal.
deal.
Look, everything for us.
Yeah, that is it. It's time to head into the water.
One Pele, we're ready.
Yes. Ready to full enjoy this beautiful water right here. Yeah, man. Okay. Wrong with the man. Go.
Because,
Alright, you're gonna come.
oh
Alright.
my
Go on,
days,
go
I'm
on
getting...
first, General.
Alright.
Wait, I
Alright.
feel like I'm gonna drop.
No, you're not drop, man. Just take your
One
time.
step at a time.
One step. Yeah. Alright.
Hey,
Tight,
the jacket,
tight.
you know, so deep still, you know.
Yeah, not so deep.
Because
No.
I can't swim.
No, man. You have space where you can stand up,
I'm
man.
okay, I can swim.
Pele, you sure?
Yeah, man. I'm sure, man.
You sh-
You can't stand up out here, so man. Them part here so good.
Oh, look at the crab tree. There, look. Do you
Oh,
see
yeah,
it?
go back in there.
Wow.
And there's a little mudfish team right there. Yeah, you see him?
Yeah, yeah.
When he gets things chopped up,
Yeah.
because she can't swim. So,
You have to tell the whole world I can't swim.
oh, she can't swim.
Yeah,
People,
yeah, I
she's
can
a
swim.
very good swimmer.
Thank you.
The life jacket is just for show.
Just for show.
Just for show.
Just for show.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, shut up. Yeah.
But maybe just as you get further in, it's not as.
Alright, I'm not going too far.
But you have the life jacket, you go float.
Me?
She can't float.
Eh? The jacket will keep you up, yes, I'll keep you up, you see? Put up your foot, Monique.
I'm scared!
No man, just relax, yeah. You see? Relax. No man, don't panic, just relax. Sure. Watch Monique. Have her life jacket and still afraid.
All the time.
Alright. Monique, I gotta test out. Whoa, we are so. That's kind of deep. Eh?
On the seat,
Oh, come up on the seat, Monique. Yes, star girl. Cool. That is it. Oh, how is it?
It's beautiful.
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 That is it. How is it, Monique?
It's great.
Great. Alright. Go we give her a little drive out.
Alright, give me a little drive out.
We are give her a drive out. Roll out the Benz.
Roll out the
Roll out the Benz. Woo!
Bust down with the right now.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah, man, I call me the water taxi man, you know?
Yes.
Water taxi man out here. Can't go too far. You're outside having a nice time, you know? Yeah, man. What you say now? Have the mesh, so. How can I go out there, so? Oh. Boy, mom can't go past it. Oh. Try catch a fish?
Yeah, they're right.
Your skill, so?
I don't know. We'll see.
Should we go for this one?
One of them pretty.
Yeah, look, is that a zebra one?
I don't
Too
think
far.
you're gonna let me. They're too fit,
Too fast. Monique, the biggest swimmer out here, you know?
I'm the biggest.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
gonna save you guys if anything happens.
Alright.
Big swimmer.
Alright. The top boss lady is here. Full join herself. Enjoying the water. Yeah, can come, man. Can forward. But I chop off, you know.
Is this deep?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay. This one's alright. I need my. I have to walk with this. I have to
No,
walk.
they tie up. Man. You're good, man. So I see your swimming skill, you know, no skills and at all. That's all. Well, as long as you have a life jacket, you can save yourself.
Yeah.
Ja. Yeah, so out on the other side, past the mesh or net, and the out on the other side, holding the vibes. Oh yeah, some of the rock sharp, you have to be careful, you can't sit on that. Wow, look at this beautiful view. Wow. Right out here is where the water breaks, and this is why you have the bay so cool and calm right now. Now we're out having a vibes. You see it, and the vibes nice.
We do the floating thing.
Woo! Life is amazing.
Life is amazing.
We are in Jamaica. Where are you?
Where are you? I'm in Jamaica.
Oh, where are you?
I need to do that one. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you?
We in Jamaica, Portland. Beautiful. Turkey Bay Cove.
Hey.
Man, a crab. Hey. Frighten me. Man, a little cave here. What's in there? Oh, what's a hermit crab here?
I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? What was that about?
Oh, hermit crab. Him nearly pinched me a while ago, so I have to throw him away. Yeah.
Oh, you had it in your hand?
Yeah. I'm gone, crab, gone on the rock. Monica, what you making a call in the water?
Yeah. Hello?
Hello.
I'm in Jamaica.
Where are you? Eh? You want to go out there? How far? Alright, come. Me and I want to go there, but we're not go. We'll see how far we can go. Alright.
Where should I stay?
Yeah, can stay another cool. But what's your friend? What's your friend right there, another crab?
The crab.
Yeah.
Oh, I can see
Yeah. And you have them thing here. I remember what them call them here, but you see them here?
Oh, Shireen, what did you say they are?
The thing on the rock.
Yeah. Look at the crab.
Much I get it from you. Alright, you can stand up here so then if you're free of dying.
No, I'm alright.
Oh. Alright, what's who come? I test out. I test out the deep. Just go. Eh?
I don't know how far we'll make it though.
Alright, we'll try and see.
We'll try.
Alright. Alright. Take your time. Take your time, you know. Try to see how far we can go. Whoa. See that? Whoa. Whoa. No, I'm not going this
No,
up.
no.
No, sir. Crazy.
Wow.
I'm afraid we're going no further. I want to try a little bit. I don't feel too bad. The rocks are break. Yeah, it's a break up there. But I think you say it's good enough for we do. You want to come look further? Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're over there.
Yeah, we don't go no further. I don't trust it.
How far we made it,
Yeah,
guys.
how far? Ain't going no further. And beautiful Turtle Bay. There's Monique talking to her phone. Whoa! Whoa! Look at this!
Wow.
Hey, looks scary, you know? Hey, come! Give me a hand, give me a hand, give me a hand! Give me a hand. Monique, can you see I get washed away?
She don't get
Should I hear? Monique! You know, see we get washed out here. The two of you get washed away. Yeah.
big waves came.
Jesus. Yeah, so we have to take some some shade from the sun. Look how the water just dead. The place is cut. One big one a come.
Yeah.
When if a big one a come.
Yeah, look. It's gonna stop.
Oh, that is crazy. Yeah, it's crazy. Just stop just like that. No more now come? No.
How does that even
Poseidon out there. Poseidon, man.
Yeah.
I am stop it. Be careful. No, that is crazy. And look how we out there. Oh, it'll come back. You see that? Water get high.
coming back?
Yeah.
Trying to take us back in.
Oh, a trick we know.
Yeah.
I call it as say, come man, let me catch you now. Come. Yeah. A trick we man. Water nearly catch we half guard, you know, people can watch you. Yeah. Remember when you come in and see the water, look like nothing now go out. Don't trust it because waves are out there. Let's say full join.
Really enjoying it.
Alright. With no fear, because she have a life
I'm the
jacket.
big swimmer.
Yeah.
That's why.
And she had a life guard, take your time. And she had a life guard.
Shireen, who am I? Rambo. Do you remember?
Jaja. What? You know, see, lift up your foot, let me see. Your foot up. Your foot up, you float?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm floating.
Yeah, you know, drop,
Shireen,
man.
do you remember when Rambo was swimming with his sock?
Rambo?
The man
Oh, from the island.
from the island.
Yeah.
The man was swimming with one hand and his top like this. Yeah.
Yeah. So we do it. Floating by the river. You by the river?
He's swimming.
Say your bad.
That's what we got to get Mon to do next. This is what Monique's going to be doing next time she comes.
Alright.
Yeah, the next time.
Dog a try cut through money to block up traffic. Oh yeah, true. Oh, them slippers I can manage it? Oh, alright. Let's take your time, Yeah, so walking through the terrain. There's a lot of rocks. Yeah, this is the pathway you have to walk through. So, if you're planning on doing this hike or walk, please bring some nice little crooks. Alright. So over here, so I want to look at private beach for general. Alright. I see dog a follow here. Eh?
The waves coming in.
Oh, so you kind of break it to over here, so too. Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah. Yes, money.
This is nice.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Out in nature.
Out in the nature.
So this is it. Look at beach. Beach front is not a lot. It's not much, but yeah. And there's where we're coming from. So yeah, they are going in.
No, just here, just here.
Grab this.
Is it dead?
Look so, it nah move. Nah move. The dead crab.
Wow.
Oh, a dead crab. Look at this. They say I carry mom go
Are
cook
you
him.
sure it's dead?
I shall laugh.
Hey! Guys!
It dead, man. You can't hold it. It dead, man. They say I carry mom go cook it.
Yeah.
Man, why you catch seafood poison?
She rocks
Hey.
up, she dips up. She
Alright.
mix dance up with calypso.
Hold on,
She
it's on
move
picture?
with the support me hips up.
Alright.
Oh, the culture and the lifestyle so sweet so. Launch on the
You want one
beach,
today with the ocean
knock
background
on
too?
Turquoise seas with the white sun. Now the lifestyle me live when me innocent and like everywhere me visit in at the island. Pull up on the road right at the jerk pan.
video?
You want piece of chicken, she want piece of ham. Give me 2
It's
bread
recording?
and 2 festival and a
alright.
1 strike for my whole in-
Yes. Mow the rose. No, if no, suppose.
Thank you.
Yes. So found a crab.
A crab.
Yes. Mind it bite you now.
Thank you.
Alright. Boss lady with our crab friend. Oh, with our crusty crab, Mr. Crab. Same name.
His name's Bluey.
Oh, Bluey. In the blue ocean.
Crab.
Alright. Where's a land crab this? Yeah, a land crab, yeah. I say look like them that bring home, bring out egg and maybe it's sick or it drown, weak and drown, you know? So they say full joy in it? Eh?
Yeah, I love it.
Alright, alright.
We
Yeah,
are in Turtle Bay Cove.
Yeah.
Watch it,
Alright.
boy, don't go there. This is the style. If
yes.
you're feeling any pain,
Yeah.
you can rub it wherever.
Yeah.
This is the clay from the sea.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, 1 penny and a Turtle Bay Cove with it.
Alright. That's a code. That see that people.
So this is what we
Sure, you want to get your camera?
Yeah, yeah. Wait.
Yeah, so we are back at St. Cox Farm Estate. Yeah, man, one of the best places to be in Portland. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Oh, you're loving the vibes here at St.
It's
Cox Farm
amazing.
Estate.
It's amazing, even just from the drive-through. It's amazing
True,
already.
true,
I can't
true.
wait to go in the water.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
Lord.
what we need.
Yes. So you say, oh, St. Cox Estate.
It's so nice, so nice. Can't wait to go in the water.
What?
Eat my
Alright.
food, have a good time. Vibes can't done.
Alright. So beautiful place here. Beautiful.
Where are we now?
We're in St. Cox
Yeah.
Estate,
Mhm.
Montchanil,
Mhm.
Portland,
Mhm.
Jamaica.
Okay.
Yes, one of the nicest, beautiful place
Mhm.
in Portland.
Yeah.
Yeah, real rustic, authentic, natural.
That is
Yeah,
it.
man. And you don't know them have camping.
Yeah.
Yeah. And when you come here, you can eat from the land.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's just good vibes, you know?
Good vibes.
Yeah, man. I have the bar. You can get stuff.
Mhm.
You have table game. You have Lodi.
Look,
Yeah.
what? Ludi above.
Water sport and water basketball.
Wow.
Yeah, water. They call it netball.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man. And then to the cooking area here.
Cooking.
Over this side.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you can camp too as well. Look at them offer camping.
Wow.
Yeah.
So good.
And remember, you can eat from the land when you visit here. You can eat from the land.
Yes.
Yeah, man. All right. Let's go. Follow my step.
No, you guys.
All right. It's not deep. Take your time. And don't worry about the fish. Then them are part the sea. Can't swim off from this, you know. But a big swim off.
Just down, it's not deep.
But a big swim, man. I show the world so you can't swim. Walla water. Yeah, cool.
I'm a greet a feel in a grill a chill. Enough vibes in a summer no one fi build. Them a up in the place like a in here me live. Look a laugh at that ten over around dead village. Them a go a done see but figure wash off my skin. My queen a say she love the style she get from the king. My pattern and my flow you know me bring from within. Anywhere me go you know I saw me do me thing. When me na the road Kingston my backbone. From the pretty bright lights to the big billboard. From downtown straight go back to uptown. I me see me na my class and my shots and you know what I where me come from. No J.A. I'm a burp.
Yes, we are at beautiful St. Cox Estate, Farm Estate, and the day went great. You know, we're about to leave out here now. Yeah, man. So just there here chilling, holding up vibes. You know, yeah, man. The place nice. Yeah, man. So you don't know when you come here, you can celebrate your birthday. Whatever you can have a party, you can camp. Yeah, man, the vibe's nice, you know. Alright, give thanks to brother. Respect. Ladies, so what's the day?
Had such a fantastic day.
Yes,
Oh
that
my
is it. That
days.
is it.
The vibes was amazing. 10 out of 10.
Alright, that sounds good. Yeah, man. Yeah.